Swap jumpers.
Hello, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the trio and track.
God, it's been a long week since we got around,
so long, God.
I feel like I'm wearing the same.
Yeah, you look like the same.
Yeah, hair's still bad.
Yeah. What's happening today?
Exhausting.
We are exhausted.
Yes, you are.
So, Tegiwa very kindly helped us out with an exhaust for the car. So we have a manifold,
Mold,
which we're not going to do today, and a cat bag, which we are going to do today. So cat bag, so that's a twin res system, single exit. It's going to sound a lot nicer than what it does.
I actually did some B-roll down here
you
of
did?
what it sounded like previous, and then we can do some on the way home as well. Insert here. When you stuck you got like a Frosty's clacker for the car. It's like, that's what it sounds like.
a Frosty's clacker.
You're too young. And that's
sorry, if anyone knows what a Frosty's clacker is,
it's like
please.
a Spokey, right?
Spokey dough.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Spokey dough's go up and down.
Yeah, but there was I'm sure it's like a clacker that went in. You put it on the floor. Yeah.
I'd like to say now, I'm not the same man.
And also, a week back on, that's still in your teeth.
Get out! Where's your toothpick?
Yeah. Should we get the exhaust on?
Let's do this. Thank you again, 612, for letting us use your premises.
I said 612 in the team, but
We didn't even say thanks to Darren.
I did say 612 and team.
Darren.
Hello.
Hello, boys.
Is that metal?
No, it's plastic.
Oh, come on then. No, give it to me.
No, it's gone.
It's at the back.
I want it. Fuck it.
Struggle on. Get in there.
Struggle on. Oh, it is at the back, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me get it. You never get that. Head up. I'll push it to the front now.
So, this system is from Tegiwa, yes?
This is a twin res system from Tegiwa, yes. Thanks to Tegiwa.
So whilst Luke undoes that, I'm going to go under the car and show you the original system. It's a bit of an odd one. We were looking at it earlier. So it goes from down here, where Darren is, doing good things. So obviously you've got the downpipe into cat, or where a cat should be. Then you've got mid-pipe. It's had a mid-pipe res delete, which should have been there. Then it comes back further, and it goes into a back box, which is where usually most cars end. But that has two more boxes at the back. So if you know this engine, the K20 is a fantastic engine. The FN2 Civic always seemed to have a really different sound to the other Civics, like an EP3.
Slow as well. I remember the EP3s having this 90-degree bend.
Yeah,
and then again, that's going to slow down a lot of flow.
Yeah, for sure. Well, let's hope that the Tegiwa system does its job and makes this car sound a lot better.
No, is that where it's been crap? Is that where it's making the noises?
No.
Look at it here.
No, the noise is flat box.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. What's wrong with that bit?
I don't know. Is that normal? It's not fat. It's not.
No, so that bit, that's the other box in it there.
That's normal.
Is it compressed like that?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it'd be
all
too.
the 3.5s are like that.
How strong is Darren?
So strong, and he's so brave.
Who is she? This series doesn't work if you two just stand in the background.
Hey, I'm about to drink a whole cup of coffee earlier. I drank some coffee.
God, it's so brave. And brave.
I think more brave than strong.
I don't know. The strength seems to outweigh bravery right now.
God, you just get off you. It's just fucking oozes.
This one time, these guys helped me do stuff.
Right, out. And the back, out. Yeah.
Inch more. Oh no, down. Yes.
He's so strong!
So strong!
Well, I'm going home. See you later, boys.
How does that one sound, Luke? Can you
That ain't fitting in there.
yeah.
That ain't fitting in there.
Is that what you're saying?
Not fitting in there. That ain't fitting in that hole. That is considerably bigger than that.
Thank you.
And that was snug against the heat shield.
Lift him up.
Get off me!
Help
Lifting
him.
you up to help.
Help him.
Why would you not let me do that?
I don't want you to help me.
Do it.
I don't want you to help me.
I need it for content.
I don't want you
Who
to
wants it
help
for
me.
content?
Hand is so fucking Get it off me! Fuck's sake!
Oh, they had both balls in my hand.
One's in. Oh, it's in. It's in.
So, the exhaust system now looks new. Now that we have a centre res box there, and we come back here, and then we've got a slightly larger box,
All right, mate.
but it takes out the exhaust pipe and box that was there, and there's no box there anymore.
Yeah, we took it out of the box.
So it's good. It's good. Right. It's
I am
Yeah. I mean, I
exhausted. Oh, tired.
At one point, I nearly had to wash my hands, but then Darren stepped in.
He's so brave.
I am.
And Bart did a
Bart is
17 mil.
so knowledgeable.
I'm also.
And Tom fell over.
Like, share, subscribe.
Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode, which might actually be on a track.
Might be on a track. Hopefully you look at some MIDI.
Where's my hat?
Eat more.
What?
Eat more, sleep more.
Eat more. Is that another fat joke?
You can't eat. You can't eat.
Goodbye.
Shoo-ba-dee-ba-dee-ba-dee-ba-dee-ba-dee-ba-dee-ba-dee-ba.